Short review 2. Ergonomic analysis in several CAD softwares. Siemens NX, CATIA, and PTC Creo. www.02cad.com.
Ergonomic design in Siemens NX software, now in modeling environment. We have the ergonomic, human factors engineering, commands here, find them in Customize. Right-click on ribbon bar, and click on Customize, in Customize dialog box, Commands tab. In Categories, in All group, find the human modeling and click on it. OK, it's very good. Now you can see its commands. You can drag its commands to graphic window and use it. OK. And next command is adjust joint. Run the command. In dialog box, first select your desired member, and then you can move and rotate it. You can do it with coordinate system, or move and rotate it with write your desired value. Test its parameters on both of humans. Try to do it and complete the job. OK. It's very good. Next command is hand shape library. Run the command and in dialog box. You can select left hand or right hand or both of them. OK. Very good. Here is quick hand shapes. Click on each one to make changes on your desired hand. Next is stand relaxed. This is default posture. OK, and next is stand arm span. OK. It's very good. Next one is stand arm extended. Test it, and the next is point. In this example we want to investigate the DOF of right hand and left hand of this humans. Let's start. In this video tutorial we want to analyze the postures of this workers, and click set reference icon. OK. Very good. Now you can see the result. In left side, you can see the desired member, and its graph. Green color, that means the member are in comfort situation, and red color, uncomfortable situation. And change the method, and apply. OK. It's very good. And again click and run the comfort analysis command, and see the results.
OK. In Start menu, Ergonomics Design and Analysis, enter to the Human Builder workbench. Good. Now in Toolbar, find and run the Insert a New Mannequin command, and in Dialog box, in Mannequin tab. Father Product, select Product 1 from Design Tree. Here you can choose a name, gender, man or woman, and percentile. In the motion, move the slider and see the changes on selected segment. Test it more and more. So good. You can change the degree of freedom, and move it on other axis. Check it out completely. OK, so good. Move the hand and now check it out and see it in Vision window. Do it and complete the job. So good. Try to do it and complete the job, and then move the mannequin head and again see the new changes on window. You can see the standard position tabs. Test all of them on this mannequin and check the result. OK. Now in Start menu, enter to the Human Activity Analysis workbench. OK, it's so good. We have a mannequin and a box. First command is Ruler Analysis, Rapid Upper Limb Assessment. Run the command and then click on Mannequin to appear the dialog box. Now choose the analysis side, then in Posture. Select one of these items, static, intermittent or repeated. Also here, there are 3 different options. The most dangerous possible score. OK, now change the load value to 1 kilogram and see the new score. OK. Ergonomic analysis in PTC Creo software. In assembly environment, we want to import a mankind. Here in Mannequin tab, in Ribbon, Mannequin Placement, find and run the Insert Mannequin command. Now in Graphic window, in Place Mannequin dialog box, first you can choose your desired name for this mannequin. OK, and then specify the posture situation of mannequin. Test the standing and sitting positions. So good. Test them on your current mannequin by click on each one. Test all of them and enjoy it. OK, so good. First test it on hands and arms. Click on arm and other segments of hand, and see its movement. OK. OK. Ruler Analysis in PTC Creo software. First we have a mannequin in this posture, lifting a box. OK. Change the load to less than 2 kilograms and, again compute. Rule a score is 4. Only investigate further. Now change the posture and desk height, and again compute the ruler analysis. Again enjoy it. So good. And the next snook analysis is pushing and pulling. Find it in Ribbon and run the command. In this example select the pull effort type, and distance, 50 feet. And frequency in 30 seconds, initial load is 50. And the next analysis type is NIOSH, for lifting and lowering, find and run the command line ribbon. And then in dialog box, initial posture is sitting and final posture is standing. In task parameters, change the frequency to more than 15 lifts in minutes, and grasp quality, poor, fair and good. Select the poor grasp quality,